This is just a quick PSA from the auto body shop princess herself. Number one, can we please, my community, my Hispanic and Black community, because that's my people, can we please stop having $2,000, even $1,000 deductibles? Please, y'all cannot afford to pick these cars back up with a $2,000 deductible. Number two, can we please get rental coverage? If you get into an accident, you need rental coverage while your vehicle is being repaired, because you're going to be shit out of luck and you're going to be upset. Call your insurance. I would like to add rental coverage, blase squaze. Like, come on, guys. And then number three, can y'all please, okay, stop using the money that the insurance sends you from the initial check of the repairs is not for you. Like, it's not. It's for the body shop. You have to pay the money back to the shop at the end. Like, when the repairs are done, the money is, like, if you don't pay that money and you keep that money and you spend that money, we're gonna call, report it. They could suspend your license and a whole bunch of other shit, and they're gonna charge you for it. Just, like, do shit the right way to help yourself out. Okay, that's all I had to say today. Have a good day, guys.